Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use split screen on your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. First of all, let's open two different applications so that we can split the screen between them. Now, the easiest way to do that would be by dragging one application by the top bar and dropping it on one side of the screen. Then we can easily place the other one on to the other place on the screen, and now we can move each of these applications positions and basically resize each of them by dragging this invisible bar between them. And now the other way to split the screen between different applications is once again grabbing the top bar of one of the windows, dragging it to the top of the screen without releasing, and then selecting the position for this app. As you can see, we can position up to 4 different applications on a single screen, just like this. And if you want to use this tool more efficiently, you have to use virtual desktops instead, because this laptop only has a 13.8-inch screen, which will not let us put many applications on one display without distorting the view. Therefore, we're gonna have to swipe up with 4 fingers, swipe up the touchpad with 4 fingers, and create a new desktop. And now on the second desktop, we can put other applications, and then we'll be able to quickly switch between them by placing 4 fingers on a touchpad once again and dragging to the right or to the left like this. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.